Kaunti ya Homa Bay bwase ligi ya KPL ya chagitare beneli tukolia Jumamosi aigaye chitimu wesokia elio ligi ya bagali ya benego sekiko chaka chimbero cha bene ase ligi yo ya Kenya Premier League litkolegoro imeye kaunti ya Homa Bay asegetikia Raila Odinga Homa Bay Stadium Shabana FC ni go babali ganetie timu ya Murang'a Seal nyoranga chitimu ichonsi benigo chaswa ase ligi ya KPL bongoiga bwase Shabana ya nyaletoboso kwa taika cha okomentwa sokomeni wa egolia ya mo aserigena yesegero maiga ya kobekwa egolia ya mo ase etaika osichitaika cha okomentwa egosori yo nigo yekanentwe nabagabana egatia bo omugabana Simbarati we county ya Kisii na boigo omugabana Gladys Wanga we county ya Homa Bay.
So when I count, I think this team have been together and they have bought together for long. And the way they come in the Premier League is just the way they came from National NSL. So I feel great, but more thanks to the player because they have given their 105% playing away and coming with one goal. It's good, but I was expecting even 4 goals, all 3. Yes.
Maybe what's your target this season now that you're in the Premier League?
I think I can't give you the target before I play 5 matches. Yeah, the 5 matches, then I will be able to tell you my target. Yes.
And during the transfer window, how many players did you bring on board and how many did you drop?
We got 7 players who came back to the team. Some came back to the team and some they left to other clubs which are high, like Fabian, he was there. So I think it was good to have the players we have, because even you see our goal scorer is a new player. Yes. Thank you.